everyone. In this video, I will be explaining how percentages work. This will be the first video of a 3-video series, so stay tuned for the next one. So let's get started. First of all, we need to understand what a percentage is and how it works. A percentage basically is a fraction with the denominator being 100. For example, if you have a puzzle with 100 pieces and 10 of them are yellow, you can show that in a fraction like so. 10 yellow pieces over 100 total pieces. Now, in Latin, a percentage literally means out of 100. So that tells us that 10 over 100 is 10%, right? 10 100ths. In math, we symbolize percentage with this symbol right here. But say we have fewer pieces. Instead of having 100 pieces, we have a puzzle with 5 pieces, and 5 of them are yellow. If we make that a fraction, it won't have a denominator of 100, it will be 5/50, right? So, to make that a fraction with a denominator 100, we have to multiply the denominator by 2, right? But if we only multiply that would change the value of the fraction. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and that does not change its value, just its appearance. So it is 10 100ths, which, as we learned, is 10% of 50. The 5 yellow pieces are 10% of the 50 total pieces. So let's try to use what we have learned in a problem. Say that we have a box with 25 pieces of bread in it, right? So, and the baker that baked the bread wants to keep 5 for himself. So we have this box with 25 pieces of bread in it. The baker wants to take 5. What percent of the bread did the baker take for himself? So he took 5 out of the 25. We can symbolize that in a fraction like 5/25. Now, to make that have a denominator of 100, we have to multiply the denominator by 4. So that means we have to multiply the numerator by 4 too. And that will give us 20 100ths, which 20 out of 100, as we know, is 20%. So the answer is he kept 20% of the bread for himself. Now, I'm going to leave you with a problem you might want to solve on your own to practice, right? There's a baker. We'll make the baker here. It has a nice door. And it has the 200 total sweets. Total sweets. And 30 of them, 200 total sweets. And 30 of them are donuts. I'm gonna make a nice donut here. 30 of them are donuts. Now a client walks in, takes 50 sweets that are not donuts. Not donuts. What percent of the remaining sweets are the 30 donuts? Now, I'm gonna give you a hint on this. In the previous examples, our denominator, if we made it into a fraction, was smaller than 100. So we had to multiply to make it 100. But now it's over 100. So you have to do the right operation to make the denominator 100 and obtain the percentage. Good luck on this problem. Write me your answers in the comments and I will do my best to respond to all of you and help you out in understanding this. Goodbye, see you next time. Happy face.